So do you want to find out what a Shopify store making over 100k actually looks like? Well, stay tuned because I'm going to show you 3 examples that all making over 100k a month. What is going on, guys? It's your boy, the Beast of Ecom, back with another video to help you guys make more money online. Now, today's video, I'm going to be showing you 3 stores that actually make over 100k a month in sales, Shopify dropshipping. Now, you might be thinking, how do you actually know these stores make this money? Well, we're going to jump right into the computer. I'm going to show you how I found them and my conclusions as to why they're making the money that they're making. Now, it's important for you to actually know what these stores actually look like, okay? Because once you know what is working for one store, you can model it and, of course, take inspiration and tactics from that store and implement them in your store, because you know essentially they're working for someone out there. And of course, if this is the first time ever watching one of my videos, please do like, comment, hit that subscribe button so you stay up to date for when I drop nothing but value bombs. Remember, I do have a free course. All you've got to do is click the link down below. Yep, 100% free, no BS, no catch whatsoever. Click the link down below and you can then start getting started with how to set up your store the right way, find products and all that good stuff. So let's jump right into the screen and have a look at some of these 6-figure websites. Okay, so now that we're inside the computer, let's have a look. Now, this website here, myips.ms, it shows you basically all of the most popular Shopify stores in the world, essentially. Every Shopify website which is hosted on the Shopify platform, as you can see, we're selected on Shopify. This will show you all of the popular Shopify stores in the world. Okay, so if we scroll down a list, of course, it's in relation to traffic, the amount of traffic that they're getting, and naturally, of course, the amount of traffic that a website is getting, naturally, a lot of money that they're making from that traffic, one would assume, of course. So there are dropshipping websites on this. This is a great website to have a look at. Top Shopify stores, see what products they're selling, see some of the brands, how they're marketing and all those sorts of things. So as you can see, some of you might have heard of some of these websites. They're the big massive ones that are out there. Fashion Nova pretty much dominate Instagram. Gymshark, again, dominate Instagram. Movement Watches, so these Lazy Oaf, Jeffree Star Cosmetics, Kith, the brand, Kim Kardashian's beauty thing. So, all of these websites here are driving a shed load of traffic, okay? Shed load of traffic to their Shopify store. So these naturally are the ones out there that are doing the massive days, okay? We're talking upwards of your 40k, 50k per day. These are the stores that are absolutely crushing it. Now, there's dropshipping stores on here. Of course, you have to go through and find them. Dropshipping sites generally look the same because you'll generally be able to find the products on AliExpress and those sorts of websites. Now, I've pulled up I found 3 websites which are all within the top 200. So within the top 200 most popular stores on Shopify, these guys are in the top 200. So naturally, we know that these guys are easily doing over 100k per month. Okay, so the first one is this website here, Dippy Deals, it looks like. And again, we can tell they're a Shopify store just by dropshipping store just by the products that they're actually selling as well. So a lot of these you'll be able to find all on AliExpress. Okay, now if you click onto one of them, if you wanted to double check if they are sort of like a dropshipping website, generally that mentions stuff about having long dispatch times, and all those sorts of things as well. So what can we learn from this website? Obviously, this website has got a number at the top. Again, I'm assuming it's not a real number. It's kind of like one of those ones where you can actually get a number hosted, but it probably just forwards to a voice recorder or something like that. But again, that builds people's trust. When they see a number, when they see they can phone someone's number, phone the business's number, it builds a lot of trust. Of course, they're doing a lot of upsells as well. Not upsells, but they're trying to increase their average order value by, if you buy 1 set, buy 2 sets, and the more sets, that's really easy to do. Okay, guys, it's not rocket science. You can literally just in your variants just add in more stuff of the variants. So if you are just selling 1 product, put in the drop down, buy 2 products, say 50% or whatever it may be. And again, they've got a a trust badge, you know, and a countdown timer for scarcity. So this is a website that is doing you know, over 100k. If you wanted to check out the actual website, again, dippydeals.com, you know, and have a look. So as you can see at the bottom, they've got more trust in stealing, more trust into the consumer. Our guarantee, you know, for any reason we'll refund, or you know, 100% satisfied, zero risk buying, you know, email support and all those sorts of things as well. More trust badges as well. So, you know, these are things that you can take from this website. And if your website hasn't got like an R guarantee, put it in there, okay? It's working for these guys. Put it in there. And again, if you've not got any sort of trust badges or anything like that, put those in there, get those on their website, get those on your website as well. Super easy to do and not hard. So the next one that I came up with, Viral Saw. Again, another dropshipping website. Again, all these products can be found on AliExpress, not rocket science at all. If we double check and click on an actual product, again, these guys have got something about, yep, you can see the shipping, please allow 14 to 38 days shipping. So we know straight away that these guys are dropshipping, okay? If not, obviously they wouldn't need to put that in there. But, you know, you can see it's a dropshipping website. What these guys doing really well, of course, is they've got a banner up on here. Again, more, you can see exactly the same as the other website. They're doing quantity buys, okay? If your adverts costs are going up in value, okay, CPMs and all those sorts of things, it's getting more expensive. If it gets more expensive to advertise on Facebook or influencers or whatever it may be, okay? If you're spending money on the same traffic, what you need to be doing, of course, is making sure people are spending more on your website. Now, one way to do that, of course, is increasing your average order value. AOV, we like to call it. So that's what these guys are doing. The more you buy, the more discount you get. If people are already in a buying status, you know, they'll be more likely and more inclined to purchase more, especially when they're getting a lot more of a saving. Again, what are these guys doing? Exactly the same as the other website. They've got trust badges, okay? Trust badges here, features of the actual product. Now, I personally don't think this is fantastic of actually using bullet points and stuff like that. I will be bringing out another video on product description pages and stuff like that. But, you know, it's working for these guys. Buy more, save more. They've got a video, and again, more stuff. Again, this website, again, our guarantee. So we can see there's a pattern that's starting to emerge, okay? Having stuff that instills trust on the actual website. I think, hold on one second, have they literally just copied the same thing? I think that is the same thing. We truly believe. Scroll down. We truly believe. So these guys are literally, I'm highly doubt they're the same people, but they've literally just copied that. So you can see that there literally is the same as that there from a quick glance anyway. So again, if you want to copy and paste it on your store, by all means copy and paste it on your store. It's working for two stores that are, you know, absolutely crushing it in terms of you know, traffic and making money. So, you know, it seems to be something that's working. So rewrite it. I wouldn't obviously write the exact same thing, but you know, it could be worth getting your own sort of rendition of saying the same sort of thing. So again, more trust badges, frequently bought together, which is a pretty cool app. And again, reviews they've got on this website. They've got reviews. Has this website got reviews? No. So these guys aren't doing reviews, which they should really be doing. But these guys have got the reviews on there as well. So if you have a look at this website, what are these guys doing well? So 100% secured payments at the top banner. 100% quality assurance as well. If we click on an actual product, no doubt these guys say stuff about days and stuff like that as well. Well, they don't have anything about actual shipping times, but I've no doubt that these guys are actually a drop shipping website. But looking at this website again, big massive sale, increasing that there's a sale, people actually getting a bit of a deal. You know, how many claimed, bringing in social proof. So a lot of people have bought it, only 18 before the price goes back up. That's just a literal simple app. I think it's Hurryfy, I think the app is. You can install that on your website and get that looking exactly the same. This product obviously comes with different plugs, so I'm assuming they're not doing quantity buys and stuff like that on this actual product, as you can see. But again, they've got an add to cart button which shakes around, draws people's eyes to it, and again, as you can see, the pattern is emerging. Trust badges, every single website is using trust badges. Okay, so if you're not using trust badges, it'll be a good tip to get trust badges on your website. Again, they've got more of a descriptive description, which I personally like. That's what I like the style of. Product specs, and again, they've got an R guarantee. I'm not sure if is it the same one again. We truly believe we make. Let's have a look, because this will be funny if it is. No, it's not exactly the same. If you believe of any experience, if you believe it, they're kind of the same thing. Okay, they've kind of all got their own rendition of well, apart from that one person who copied and pasted literally, but R guarantee. So if anything you take from this website, you can see that something that seems to be working is obviously having an R guarantee on your product page just at the bottom, to help install a lot more customer trust, that you're a business that you should be trusted from. Because again, purchasing from a new website, last thing people do, the last thing that's on people's mind is people get into a state whereby they're like, should I buy from this website, should I not? And reviews, of course, is one important thing, and then obviously having a guarantee and saying it yourself is another thing as well. So you can really quickly see that these websites are all doing similar things. So now that you've seen some six-figure stores, you know what they're doing that's right. Things that you can actually take and put in your website, and just use those bits and model from these stores. Take the parts that look good, take the parts that are working for them, and of course put them into your website so you can start making more money as well with your store, improving conversion rates and all of that good stuff. Remember, I have got a free course. All you gotta do is click the link down below. I have got a free Facebook mastermind group. I'm in there as well, along with other marketers. Again, the link is down below. If you want to reach out to me on a personal basis, best place is probably Instagram. Make sure you give me a follow, drop me a like, and slide in my DMs. I'll be more than happy to have a conversation with yourself. So that is it for this video. Please do subscribe, like, comment, all of that good stuff, and I'll be bringing nothing but value bombs for you so that you guys can keep crushing it. So until next video, bye bye and take care.
Yeah.